Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix beauty mode not working on TikTok and iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max and other iPhones. So guys, how can we fix this issue? So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, go to the TikTok account.
सुन्नत है
So here is my TikTok. Go to the profile section here and tap on the three icons in the right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. So scroll down here, tap on report a problem, scroll down and tap on visuals and sounds. Tap on video shooting, scroll down and tap on other, tap on now, tap on need more help and right here. So write this and tap on submit here. So feedback submitted. So after this, go back now and then go to App Store here and also update your TikTok app if you have not updated. So here the update is available. So update your TikTok app to the latest version. So guys, TikTok is updating right now. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your beauty mode issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.